Britain's post-Brexit immigration system has helped make the UK more attractive to foreign workers than the EU, according to new research. Analysis by employment website Indeed showed the share of searches on British job adverts from international candidates has soared by 146% since 2021. They are up from a pandemic low point of 2.2% in April 2021 to 5.5% in June 2023. Searches are also well above the average of 3.5% from 2017 to 2019. Meanwhile, just 2.8% of clicks on EU job postings came from people outside the bloc, up from 1.5% in April 2021. Pavel Adyarjan from Indeed said. Indeed's data shows that the EU is struggling to establish itself as a top destination for foreign job seekers, despite the rebound from pandemic lows. The research also underscores that the UK government's new immigration policy is operating as intended, with requirements for non-EU workers generally easing after Brexit. There is a shift towards non-European interest in higher-skilled jobs such as software development in the UK and away from lower-skilled roles European workers had previously taken. We've also seen a sharp and unabated rise in foreign interest in care jobs since 2021, following the addition of these roles to the shortage occupation list in 2022. The government brought in a new points-based immigration system in January 2021. People are scored on certain criteria such as speaking English, having a job offer, having a PhD, earning a high salary or taking a job in a sector with a shortage of workers. People must reach a score of 70 points to qualify for a visa under the system.